In this project, we are recreating historic paintings using photography. What you're going to do first is pick your artist. In the handout, there are 3 pictures from that artist. Once you've picked your artist, you're going to then pick what picture you want to do. Once you've done that, you're going to figure out what you're going to be creating. For example, looking at Grant Wood's American Gothic, you can see how these people have recreated that artwork using photography. Look how one of the props that they've used is a fork and an apron and a jacket. If we look at the backdrop, they have a backdrop that is recreating the American Gothic house. You can also see how the person is also wearing glasses. These people might not have had all the items to help recreate everything, but they've tried to recreate the American Gothic picture as best as they can. So, when we are creating our photograph, it all depends on what kind of picture you've picked. Some pictures might be a little bit more complex. Some pictures might be a little bit more simple. It all depends on how many people are in your group and what picture you have chosen. So you want to be thinking about what jobs you're picking and how to recreate it. You can even use our iPads using our Adobe Photo mix to create your background, maybe some of your props you want to draw first, and then add into Adobe Photo Mix, having more of your project using photo editing software than just photographing it. How to use Adobe Photoshop Mix. First, you'll click on the app, you'll click on the plus. Once you've clicked on the plus, you're going to click on your image that is your backdrop. For example, if you did the American Gothic, it would be that house. Right here I have a picture of Edward Munch's screen. I'm going to then add a picture of me to it. Okay? So once I've added me, I'm going to then click on the scissors that say cut out. Once I click cut out, I want to then click auto so it automatically cuts me out. If you want to go in and erase some other parts, you can click on basic and then click on minus to subtract more. Once you finish, you'll click check, and then you can rotate and add your picture into your background. Think about all the different things that you need to add to help recreate your picture. Some things you might want to be recreating as props or clothing onto your persons. You can use as much photo editing software as you want or as little. For example, if you want to do everything with just the camera, you can do that as well. Once you've finished your group photo where you've recreated your historic picture, you're going to then add it into Artsonia. Also, don't forget to do the biography on the artist. When you're doing that biography, the 3 facts, you're going to have to look them up. It's not facts that you make up, it's facts that you've looked up on the iPad, through the internet, through that artist's website.